Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Rainbow Six Siege X on your PC using Steam. Let's get started. First, open the Steam application on your computer. Once it's open, head over to the search bar in the top right corner and type in Rainbow Six Siege X. Click on Rainbow Six Siege X from the search results. Now you'll see the game's store page. Click on the Play Game button. When the installation window pops up, choose the drive where you want the game to be installed. Click Install. Accept any license agreements or terms that appear. Now just wait for the game to download and install. This may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the game is installed, go to your Steam library. Find Rainbow Six Siege X. Click Play, and if prompted, press Yes. That's it. You're now ready to play Rainbow Six Siege X. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gaming guides. Thanks for watching.